Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name is Adrian and today we're going to look at this HY70DKH space heater. So I'm going to open the box, lay the contents out the table so you can see exactly what you get. So as you can see, with this unit, it's a compact unit and there's very little to do. So two units, we have the heater unit itself and the user manual. Now I do recommend that you read the user manual thoroughly before use. So as you can see, the unit comes with a standard lead and 13 amp plug, so it'll plug into any normal domestic or industrial 13 amp outlet. So that's the first point we need. It just runs on a 13 amp supply. So the next thing to note is we need to put fuel in the unit. So we have the fuel filler cap here, unscrews anti-clockwise, and it does come with a strainer here. I recommend you leave the strainer in when filling it. Should you have any debris in your fuel can, then it's going to catch it for you. And also keep an eye on it, and if there are any bits of grit or what have you that appear in this filter, just clean it out once in a while. So that said, when you're filling it, obviously make sure that the unit is turned off and fully cooled down before refueling the unit. And when you do refuel it, leave the fuel level below this spiller neck here. We don't want to fill it right to the very top. We need to leave a little bit of space, so perhaps about this level. And there is a fuel gauge here which will show it when it's full. So there's a red marker, it'll be back towards the heater when it's empty, and you'll see the red marker come across to the full position when it's full. So having filled it with fuel, fuel cap back on, tighten it down firmly, and that will be the fuel tank filled. Now you can use diesel, red diesel, or kerosene in this unit, depending on the regulations in your area. So the controls are very simple. Once you've plugged it in and switched it on the wall, you'll see this on-off switch. Just make sure it's in the off position. We plug it in, switch it on the wall. So the main on-off switch here, if we switch it on at any time, the unit will fire up and heat will start to be produced from that end. So thermostat here, we set the desired temperature with this thermostat. So you'll see it's measured in Fahrenheit and centigrade. So for instance, if I was to put it here, that would be 80 Fahrenheit or 25 degrees centigrade. So recommendations, the unit does output hot air. So we need to be careful with combustible materials. Now, obviously from this end, the hot end, where the hot air comes out, 8 feet away, you need the nearest surface of any description, whether that's combustible or not, or 2.5 meters, 250 centimeters. So we need at least 8 feet clearance here. And obviously this end will get very hot, so don't touch it, even when you've turned it off for some time, because it does remain hot. So all around the other sides, we'd recommend 1.25 meters, 125 centimeters, or 4 feet of clearance. So we need plenty of room at the back here to let air come in. Obviously 8 feet that side, 4 feet, and 4 feet all around it. Just allow it to be in clear space, as it were, when you're running the heater. As I say, it does get very hot. The outer cover's not so bad, this end very hot indeed, so just be wary of that. So as I said at the beginning, don't forget to read your user manual. Now you will find all sorts of useful information in here that'll be handy going forwards. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian and thank you for watching.